Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to write eco-friendly living articles using AI agent. So let's suppose I am an environmentalist and I want to improve my online presence. For that, I regularly want to post on WordPress. Doing this manually is a very time-consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress. Here I am going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, and now with the help of Pabbly Connect I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to add a new title in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, a blog will be automatically created with the help of OpenAI, and then this will be created as a post on my WordPress. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to write eco-friendly living articles using AI agent. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to check this automation workflow once, whether it is working fine or not. For that, I will be opening my Google Sheets and I will be posting or adding an idea in this particular spreadsheet. And if a content is automatically created or generated and then be posted on my WordPress, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I am going to open this spreadsheet and I am going to enter my topic ID as 1. And then my title as how to create a sustainable morning routine. Now here I will wait for few minutes and you will see a content will be generated and created as a post on my WordPress. So here I can see that the post has been created. I'm going to click on this view and here you can see that this post has been created. How to create a sustainable morning routine. And here I have received a very well point-wise point structured blog. We have wake up mindfully, hydrate sustainably, go green with breakfast, use eco-friendly personal care products, dress sustainably, plan your day, get outside. So this is a very nice blog and we have created and posted this on WordPress. And let's open my Google Sheets. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to write eco-friendly living articles using AI agent. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to write eco-friendly living articles using AI agent, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created and here I am going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to write eco-friendly living articles using AI agent, which means whenever I'm going to add a new title in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the content or the article will be automatically generated with the help of my AI agent, which is OpenAI, and then it will be automatically posted on my WordPress. Now here trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to add a new title in my Google Sheet spreadsheet, and then action says do this, then generate the article and post that on the WordPress. So in my action application, I will be taking OpenAI and WordPress. And if I want to update my Google Sheet spreadsheet, I will take Google Sheet again as my action application. So here, first, let's quickly take Google Sheets as my trigger application. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help test, we are going to make this connection. And to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets, and this is the sheet I have created by the name Environment Tips. I have created 3 fields: topic ID, title, and content. And now I'm going to quickly add this topic ID, and I'm going to enter the title also. So here in this title, let's say I'm going to write how to grow your own food in small spaces. Now I'm going to send this data to my workflow, and then OpenAI is going to generate the content for this title. But how we are going to do this? For that, we need to build connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets. So to make this connection, we have to go towards this extensions, go to add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me, where I need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing installed because we have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that you follow the same process and install this Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now, as soon as you install this, it will start appearing over here. From here, you need to go towards this initial setup. Now, this box has opened in front of me, where I need to enter this webhook URL and the trigger column. So here the webhook URL is the same webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Next, I need to enter this trigger column. So trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data entry column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here my final data entry column or the last column or the trigger column is column B, because I'm going to add the data in this last column only. I'm not going to add the data in the C column. So I'm not going to write this. Instead, the last column is this one, B. So I'm going to enter the trigger column as that. The final data entry column is the trigger column is the last column. So here I hope this is clear to you now. As soon as I've entered this webhook URL in the trigger column, I'm going to click on the send test button. So this data is sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Here you can see test data sent successfully. And now to make this setup configuration, I have to click on this submit. So here the setup configured successfully. Here I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And now we have to follow a very important step. We have to go towards this extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. If we skip this, the data that we add further will not be sent and the workflow will stop. So here it is very important that as soon as we add this webhook URL and send the data to my workflow, then we click on the send on event so that the future data could also be sent to my workflow. Now let's quickly open my workflow and check whether we have received the response or not. And here we can see that we have received the response. The trigger column is B. The title is How to Grow Your Own Food in Small Spaces. Though this is the same exact title. The spreadsheet name is Environment Tips. Now here, as soon as I have received the response, we can say the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to add a new data or the new title in this particular spreadsheet, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I'm going to add a new data, a content or an article should be automatically generated. So for that, I'm going to take my action application or my AI agent as OpenAI. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this as ChatGPT and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter this token. So following the help desk given below, I'm going to enter the token and I'm going to click on this hyperlink, and it has taken me towards this API keys page. Now here I have to learn how we can create this new token, and to create a new token, we simply need to click on this create new secret key. First we have to name this. So let's say the name is testing. The project will be default project and the permissions will be all, and then we simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to us, which we need to copy and simply paste that over here. As I have already an existing connection, I'll select this existing connection and then click on this save. So here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the AI model and the prompt. In this drop down, I can find all the AI models which we have. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini. You can enter any AI model according to your choice and preference from this drop down, and if you do not find your AI model, simply turn on this mapping button, remove this AI model and enter your own AI model. Here I am going to enter this GPT-4o Mini, and now I need to enter the prompt. So here I am going to enter the prompt in a way that this AI generates articles for me basis on the title which I enter or which I provide in this prompt. So here I am going to write the prompt in that way. Write a 500-word blog post on this with the beginner tips and eco product suggestion. Make it friendly, informative and ideal for sustainability blog. Please remove tags, stars and extra symbols from the content. Now here I am going to enter the title which we have received from Google Sheets response. We are not going to enter this manually. So here we are going to use a method called mapping, which means we are going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here I have received the response from Google Sheets, and when I click on this field, I can see this Google Sheets. When I click on this, I can see all the response which we have received from there. Here I need to enter the title, and the title is this: how to grow your own food in small spaces. Over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I have entered this detail or the title, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request, and let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. In this message content, I have my blog or the article. Let's open this. So here, growing your own food can be rewarding and sustainable way to enhance your lifestyle even if you live in small space. This is the introduction. I have received this in the point by point format. Start small with herbs, utilize vertical space, choose sustainable containers, opt for compact varieties, create a miniature garden ecosystem, keep soil healthy, water wisely, attend to light requirement, start your sustainable journey. So this is a very perfect blog which we have generated with the help of my AI, and now I want to post it on my WordPress. So for that, I'm going to click on this add action step button, and then in my action application, I will be selecting WordPress. And then in my action event, as I'm going to create a post, I'm going to select this and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the email and the password, which means we need to enter the login credentials. And then we need to enter this base URL. So to enter this base URL, let me quickly open my WordPress. And on the top in this URL, you can see this WP3. So till here, I need to copy this, and then I simply need to paste this in my base URL. So this much is my base URL. Now I'm going to enter my login credentials. After entering all these details, I simply need to click on the save. And here WordPress is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I need to enter this post type. So the post type remains post. And then I need to enter this post title. So the title is which I entered in my Google Sheets. So this is the title, and I'm going to map this. the post content I'm going to enter as this message content response which I have received from OpenAI. The slug excerpt are not required fields, so we are going to skip this. The status remain publish. I'm not going to enter this category IDs. I'm going to skip this. The tags are also not required fields, so I'm going to skip this. In this featured media ID, I'm not going to select this, otherwise this will become static and it will keep posting on all of my posts. So I'm going to turn on this mapping button and then I'm going to remove this featured media ID. In the format, I'm going to select this as standard. The ping status remain open, the comment status remain open. Author ID I've selected, sticky, password, due date, GMT are not required fields. I'm going to skip this. Here we have entered the content title and the content topic. Now I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. So here we have received the response. Let's quickly open my WordPress. In my WordPress on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to go towards this post and click on this all posts. Now here we can see that the post has been created, how to grow your own food in small space. Let's click on this view and here we can see the post has been created. Here we have all the points and this is the same exact post which we have added in the workflow. It has been created and posted on my WordPress. Now if you want to add the same content in your Google Sheets spreadsheet, you can do this, otherwise you can skip this step. I'm going to add this, so I'm going to click on this add action step button and then I'm going to search for my action application which is Google Sheets, and then in my action event I'm going to select update cell value and then click on this connect. Now as I have already an existing connection, I'll go with the save and then I'm going to select my spreadsheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is environment tips. It has automatically detected the sheet number and the range is, here you can see the range is C2. Here the column is C, the row is 2. So I'm going to enter this as C and then I'm going to map the 2. The response which I have received from my Google Sheets, I'm going to map this. Otherwise this will become static and there will be no use of using this step. So I want to keep this dynamic. The content is the C column and this will not change but the row will keep changing. So here I have mapped this row index and entered the column C manually. I'm going to enter the value as this message content. And then I'm simply going to click on this save and send test request. So here the data is, let's open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And here we can see the data has been added in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So now to summarize, with a Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We added a title and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted OpenAI to generate the article. So we took OpenAI as the action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the AI model, entered the prompt, received the response, and then we wanted to create that as a post on my WordPress. So I took my action application at WordPress, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, clicked on save and send test request and received the response as this post being created on my WordPress. And then I wanted to update the cell value of my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I took my final action application as Google Sheets, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the range and entered the value, clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this content being automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet for the same title. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI, WordPress with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.